Add a splash of zest, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a vibrant and flavorful expression. Add a splash of zest. This phrase is not just about cooking. It's a vivid way to enrich your English conversations. Stay tuned as we explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it to spice up your language skills. Add a splash of zest combines two key elements, a splash and zest. A splash refers to a small amount of liquid, enough to make something wet or to add a hint of its presence. Zest, in a literal sense, comes from the outer peel of citrus fruits like lemons or oranges, used to add flavor to food. When combined, these words convey adding a lively or exciting quality to something in a figurative sense. The term zest has its roots in cooking and gastronomy, where adding the peel of citrus fruits can transform a dish with freshness and tang. Over time, zest began to symbolize any addition that brings vibrancy or enthusiasm to an activity, conversation, or even life itself. Add a splash of zest thus means to introduce excitement, energy, or flavor into something that might otherwise be considered dull or mundane. Let's see how this phrase can be used in various contexts. 1. In personal development. She decided to add a splash of zest to her daily routine by starting yoga. 2. In work or projects. To make the presentation more engaging, he added a splash of zest with interactive elements. 3. In conversations. Whenever she joins a conversation, she always adds a splash of zest with her humorous stories. These examples show how adding a splash of zest can make ordinary situations more lively and enjoyable. This phrase also holds cultural significance, as it reflects an appreciation for enthusiasm and creativity. It encourages looking at the brighter side of life and finding joy in the small things. Embracing this expression can lead to a more optimistic outlook and a willingness to experiment and try new things. We hope this video has added a splash of zest to your day and your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words and grammar. It's about conveying feelings, actions, and life's vibrancies. Don't be afraid to sprinkle your conversations with expressions that make them more colorful and expressive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.